Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paige, this is Seeking Alexandria, and guys, today we are bringing you a good old-fashioned, fabulous, run-of-the-mill girl went shopping haul video, and I am so excited. Now, before we dive into that, I just want to mention a couple of things. Number one, all the makeup that I have on my face will be affiliate linked down below. The sweater is from Amazon. I did a plus size Amazon sweater haul, which I will link up here. This is from that. The necklace is from Bauble Bar, which I will link down below as well. And again, all the makeup will be listed. I didn't do like a video, I just kind of got ready, relaxed, did my thing a little bit, but nonetheless, everything will be linked down below if you are curious and you want to check it out. But for today's video, you guys, I am so freaking excited because today we are doing a haul video, and this is something I don't even know if I've ever done a haul video on my channel because there's never been much of a purpose. Like, I was uploading 5 days a week. For those of you that are relatively new here, I literally used to upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so anything that I bought, it always had a purpose. So I'm like, why would I show you just to show you again? Like, that didn't seem to make sense to me. And so I was really excited, you know, now that I've changed my channel around, I want it to be, you know, a little bit more relaxed, some lifestyle, maybe vlogging. We're doing like plus size fashion, still makeup, you know, and we're really just diving into everything. I am actually taking a trip, which I haven't done in 10 years. I can talk more about that later. But I'm taking this trip, and I went to Ulta and I picked up a bunch of stuff, and I'm just like, I actually have a purpose and everything to do a haul. Like, hello, no brainer. Let's please just talk about makeup, what I bought, hair care, all the good things. So let's just go ahead and dive in. Now, I'm not going to be moving these bags around too much, but just so you guys know, there are two bags. There's this big one right here and a little one. I'm going to be doing the big bag first because this was actually a shopping trip from about a week and a half ago where I started preliminarily picking up a couple of things. And so I'm going to get into this one, and then we're going to get into the more recent stuff down below. And these bags are just so damn loud. Like, girl, ugh, why? All right, now a few of these items are going to be very similar, and that's because your girl is currently on the hunt for a dry shampoo. Now, I have the one that I love. It's my favorite from Batiste. It's affordable. It's very effective. It comes in a ton of shades and scents and all the good things. Like, it is a great, great product, even multiple sizes, like little, big, gigantic, and everything in between. It is a great dry shampoo. But I feel like as of late, and I don't know if it's just like a hormonal change or what's happening with me, but I feel like my hair has almost been like, that's over drying it, or like there was just something funky there. And I was like, you know what, how about we explore? Like, why don't we just see what the world has to offer? And I walked into Ulta a week and a half ago, and they had this guy sitting there, and the manager, I go there so much, like, her and I talk and we're friends, and she's like, you should really consider this, because I was going to pick up just the single can from IGK. That's what this is. It's an IGK Fight Club set, and it actually has all of their different travel sizes in it. So if you were to purchase, like I was going to, just one full size of this IGK one right here, I think it retails for like 27 bucks, but you could get the kit for 28, and then I could actually try out each individual one, which I thought was really cool. So basically, the way that she put it to me is that it has their light, medium, and heavyweight dry shampoo. Now, typically when it comes to dry shampoo, I do need a little bit more of an aggressive dry shampoo, but I thought this set would be really cool just to test out all three formulas, and I have been playing around with this one right here. I just kind of put the pack together so it would look pretty, but I've been testing this one right here. I haven't played with these two yet, but I thought the kit for $28 was something that was really cool to just test out, see how it is. Now, along those same lines, again, thinking about this whole dry shampoo situation, I also picked up this. This is from Bumble and Bumble, and this is their Pret a Powder dry shampoo, and I've heard a lot of people really fall in love with this, and so I wanted to pick up a full-size one of these. They do have a couple like travel size smaller options, and I think maybe one larger, but I just went with the in-betweeny weenie. I thought we would just kind of scope it out here. There wasn't a ton of variation, and that's what I'm noticing, I think, amongst dry shampoos, is that Batiste is really special in the sense that they do a great job at really diversifying their product and making it work for everyone. And I'm just noticing that like higher end brands, they don't do that as well. So just something to consider if you feel like you need something very, very tailored. Batiste might be the way to go for you. I grabbed this entire line from Bumble and Bumble. Now, there is one more piece, but I left it in the bathroom, and your girl's lazy. I'm not about ready to get up, honey. Absolutely not. No, thank you. My feet just, they don't want to move, and neither do my thighs. So I picked up this entire collection. This is the Bond Building Styler with Honey Protective Complex, and this is basically just supposed to give your hair like a nice glow. This one right here is actually the Bumble and Bumble Thermal Protection Mist with Honey. It's a repurchase. I've used almost my entire one that I already have in the bathroom. And then the third piece that came with this, I don't remember Oh, I think it was maybe like a styling cream or something like that. And all of this will be listed down below, so it'll all be down there. You can check it out. But I picked up the entire collection to play with it, get a feel for it, and all the good things. So Bumble and Bumble, y'all, they just kind of, they stole my cart and all my money, honey. Yes, please. I love Bumble, though. They are so good. Now, of course, given that I had no idea how all of this dry shampoo mastery was going to work out, I picked up 2 of these big old Mac Daddies right here from Batiste. This is their Dry Shampoo Plus with a hint of color, and I grabbed it in Divine Dark because obviously I have dark hair. These are fantastic. Again, my ride or die dry shampoo, it's amazing. And I love that it comes in such a gigantic option for those of us that use it a lot. Like, just to give you a size comparison, like, hello. it's a lot. Typically with Batiste, not only are they affordable, but they're often on sale, like buy one, get one half off, that sort of thing. So just something to consider. You can always get them on sale, and I picked up a couple because your girl loves a backup. I just got a little bit sassy just now. Did you see that? I'm like, your girl wants a backup. All right, now the next item is something yet again I've already busted my little handy dandy finger claws into, because you know your girl can't stay out of hair clips. That's right, I bought another 6-pack. You guys, these bobby pins and these, it's just like, where do they go? Like, my whole universe, I swear to you, you're gonna like move a couch of mine or like a chair someday, and there's just going to be a forest of these underneath, because I go through so many of these. These are just like the medium, I'd say small to medium size. I love the design. I think the colors of them are super cute, so you can match them to an outfit if you want to. Obviously one is missing right here, but I just think these are so cute. I needed another pack. I get 6 of them for 10 bucks. There are cheaper ways to buy them, but I do really like this Riviera brand from Ulta. It's really nice. This one, there's not a lot of conversation about. This is the ABH Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. I bought a repurchase because your girl is looking funky crusty with her old one, honey. I love it. It is so good. I think this is probably the 3rd one of these I purchased. Really good. All right, now this next item I probably shouldn't be putting on here because it is, you know, kind of a Christmas gift, but the kids don't watch me, so I think it's safe. And they're just adorable little stocking stuffers. These are from Ulta. They're $5.50 a piece, and they are lip smackers. This is a Skittle, and then I grabbed 2 Starbursts, and I thought it would be so cute for just, you know, nieces, nephews, that sort of thing. Like, these are just precious, and who doesn't need a good chapstick? And they're just, oh my god, and like they come in the little tins. Like, hello, these are so cute. I almost picked one up for me. Like, that's how cute I think these are. The only thing that stopped me is I'm like a little bit of a lip snob lately. I don't know why, how, or when that happened, but I just love them. I thought they're adorable, and for $5.50 you get 4 little chapsticks in there. And again, little kids love this kind of stuff, and it's a good way to entice them into wanting to keep their lips moisturized, especially in Northern Michigan, girl. They're gonna get all cracked and funky, and just ain't nobody got time for that. You don't want your poor kid walking around there, you know, slather them lips up, honey, and while you're doing it, they taste like Starburst, they taste like Skittles. You're a lot more likely to use it, hopefully. That's my goal. So I'm trying to be a good aunt, a good whatever, and just, you know, provide the chitlins with some good moisturized lips. Oh, you guys, that's what I'm missing from my Bumble and Bumble set. I'm just reading my receipt. I'm missing the blow dry accelerator. That's what it is, from Honey. And again, everything will be linked, but it was driving me crazy that I couldn't remember. Yeah, Bumble and Bumble, y'all. It's good stuff, but it reflects on this little piece of paper right here. Let me tell you what, honey. All right, guys, so this is where it gets funny. So this is my little haul, my little haul, wow, from yesterday. And what I think is so funny about this is that bag, the bigger one that I showed first, had these items in it, which took up, I mean, the tiniest amount of space. I mean, well, not tiniest, but let's be honest, they definitely didn't take up that gigantic bag. And it was maybe, what, 10-ish items, 10 to 15 items. And she put them in that giant bag. And this lady, I'm like, girl, were you raised in my era? Like, you deserve a Tetris award for whatever the hell you did here. I don't know how she fit so much crap into this bag, but girl, I'll tell you what, you get yourself one of those, because this is very impressive. And just, you know, not wasting plastic. Like, we're not wasting packaging. She didn't try to put it in other bags. She was like, oh, hell no, honey, I can fit it in there. And I was like, yes, you can. You go, girl. You go. Now, let's go ahead and get some of the slightly more boring things out of the way first. These are from Revlon, and these are their cuticle cutters, but these, you guys, these are so good. I actually got a pair for me and a pair for my dad. What I love about these, I'm kind of bringing you guys in super close, is this tip right here. It is so intense and finite, and I just love the way that you can really get in and access your nails. It makes it a lot more precise, and it's a really nice clip to it, so it doesn't like pull the cuticle and doesn't make you bleed, that sort of thing. So I don't know, we've really liked these, and it was time to buy a new pair. So I bought both of us one. They're really nice. All right, and I also picked up this little guy right here. This is just the Ulta brand. It's a 6-piece manicure kit. I am leaving, like I mentioned, I'm traveling, and one of the things that like makes me just a little bit up here is not having nail nail tools, like whether, again, it's my toes, my feet are kind of weird, I mentioned that 12 seconds ago, or my fingernails, or if I just need to like file something down, clip it. I'm one of those people that'll big time just like pick at my nails or like pick at the cuticles, and if I do that, it ends up hurting really bad. I make myself bleed, the whole shebang. Like if you're one of me and you do the same thing, you will 100% know what I'm talking about. So having something like this is key, and I thought it would be good just because I'm traveling, to make sure that I was able to take care of that, so I'm not just like, you know, picking my damn fingers and bleeding all over the place. I also picked up a new razor, again, because I'm traveling. Mine is a little bit busted crusted, and I thought it would be nice to take something that doesn't look like it's 15 years old. So this is the Gillette Venus Swirl Extra Smooth. I have super duper sensitive legs, and I really like these. I know that the cartridges can be a little bit on the pricey side, though they're a lot of bit on the pricey side. Who are we kidding? But I've had really good luck with these, and I really enjoyed it. I've used it a long time now, and the handle actually lasts a very long time as well. I think I've held on to the same handle for maybe, I would say at least 2 years, if not maybe even a little bit longer. So they do last, they're good quality, and I like them. So I bought a fresh one. All right, then next up, no big deal here. I did a little repurchase of my Simple Micellar wipes. I love these things. They're great not only for when I'm filming, but obviously makeup removing, that sort of thing. They're really nice and gentle on my skin, and buying them in a 2-pack is already saving money, and then they were buy one, get one, like 40 or 50% off, something like that. So it was just really good, cost effective. I'll throw one of these in my under the plane bag and be good to go. I picked up a couple shampoo conditioner things right here. This is obviously shampoo and conditioner. Didn't need to explain that. All right, now next up, this is something I've talked about a fair amount on my channel, and that is the Redken Extreme line. I grabbed a mini shampoo and conditioner. They were on sale, I think buy one, get one 40% off, and I thought this would be good to travel with. My hair really does respond to this line quite well. If you are someone that has like breakage or you're prone to really brittle hair, this stuff is fantastic. I've had great results with this. They're leave-in, anti-snap, all that stuff. It's a really good line. So I thought it would be good to pick these up. Right, now next up, this is actually a repurchase for my mother. This is the Macadamia Professional Oil Infused Hair Repair Pro Oil Complex Weightless Repair Shampoo, and my mom just really likes it. She had a sample out of a magazine, I think maybe it came in Cosmo or something like that, and she fell in love with it. And with her hair, how short it is right now, I mean, like a bottle like this will last her forever. So we grabbed her one of these. Ooh, and it smells good. Yes, please. All right. I always smell everything. Even if it's not mine, I'm just like, let me smell it. It'll be fine. All right, couple more things that are not overly excited. I grabbed myself a couple of the little cheap emery boards, again, just for travel, because I like to be able to smooth out my nails. My nails are like super brittle. They break a lot, and if I can file them down and have that option with me, it's always for the better. I also grabbed a new pair of tweezers. I think maybe my mom needed these. I don't know. They're Revlon tweezers. Revlon tweezers are really good. I actually love a lot of their like nail tools. They're very nice. All right, now I've mentioned I'm traveling 52 times. Guys, look at how small this Batiste is. It's so cute. I am absolutely obsessed with this. All right, and then I also grabbed one of these. This is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It's a mini, obviously, so I can go with it on my little trip, and this is so good. Fun fact for the crew here, I used to hate this. I thought it was the worst, most useless product in the world, and now that I've used it, I went through 2 big bottles and 2 little bottles that are this size. I just think it's so interesting how time really does change us, because now I like it. I use it a lot. I actually used it today because it does give you just a nice little lift of volume to it, but it's not too much, and it's so easy to work with. Like, and I think maybe at first when I hated it, that's why I didn't like it, but I like it now, so that's all that matters. Goodbye. Oh, I'm sorry. I bought 2 little mini Batistes. Look at these. Oh my god, they're so cute. All right, guys, so something that I haven't mentioned about this whole travel situation, and if I don't mention it, these next few products aren't going to make any sense. So long story short, I'm going to go visit one of my very best friends. She's a sweetheart. She is married, so it's her husband, and they have 2 children, and her little girl is absolutely just like, oh my god, she's precious. She is the most like traditional girly girl, like dresses up like a princess. She loves makeup, and she's like just everything in the world. So I wanted to take a couple of like little goodies that I thought she would have fun with. Nothing too serious, but just something that like a little kid could have fun with and play around. Well, my mom found this item while we were shopping, and she's like, Paige, you have to. Like, she would just look so cute in this. And it's ironic because it is from that little Creme Shop and Hello Kitty collection, which I just talked about in my most recent anti-haul, which I will link up there. And I pretty much sat there and I was like, girl, this is like, I had so many opinions. And my mom picked it out. Guys, this is so cute. Let me just show you. Okay, we put it back in the box for effect, but this is so precious, and it's so soft, and like, Look at the little Hello Kitty. Obviously, like I said in that video, like the whole collection for me was like blah, whatever. But this I just thought was so precious, and my mom talked me into it. And now that I'm holding it, like I can picture it on her adorable little head, and I'm just like, it kills me. So I'm super excited. That's gonna be precious for her. I also picked up a couple of just like little items that were on sale that I thought would be fun for her. This is from the Sweet and Shimmer line, which I have a couple more items from them, but basically they're like a super affordable, just not overly serious makeup line. They're really cheap, almost like cheap Claire's makeup. So I was getting a couple other things for me. I threw in a little pack of makeup wipes for her because they're just like fun. They're lightly just like little scented wipes. It's just something for fun. I also grabbed her from that same brand for $1 here. They're Sweet and Shimmer little pink lip crayon because she's gonna absolutely love it. I grabbed her these little Lumiere lip glosses from the Galaxy collection from L'Oreal. These were on sale as well. I grabbed her a little e.l.f. blush palette just because it has these nice little light pink princess colors that I think she will love. And I grabbed her a palette that was on sale from Revolution Pro. It's their Rock and Royal palette. All right, and then here is the inside of the palette. It just has these fun like bright purples and pinks and just a lot of cuteness, like when she's playing dress up, when she wants to be a princess, all the cute things. I thought it would just be so special for her to have a little something extra. All right, now back into the bag here, I have another nail file because apparently I didn't have enough of those. And then I also repurchased a CoverGirl concealer. This is their True Blend CoverGirl concealer. I use the shade L100. It's a really nice concealer, so I repurchased that. All right, and then the last couple of items that I have are actually from that same brand, that Sweet and Shimmer brand. And I'm always in the need for pencil sharpeners. I lose them literally more times than you could possibly imagine. And with this brand, when you're shopping with them, most of their products are buy 5 for $5. So I picked up 2 of these, you know, obviously total I think I had 10 products from them, but I grabbed 2 sharpeners. These things are fantastic. They retail normally for $2.99. Again, if you buy 5 items, they're $1 a piece, and it's really good. I used it to sharpen my lip liner and I really like them. And then I did purchase a few of these. They are the nail polish remover pads. This one right here is actually open because I opened it to see what was going on, but they come like this in just a little twist off like screw container, and inside they are actually pre-wet little remover pads for your nail polish. Now obviously I haven't used any, so I can't tell you if they're good or not, but they do seem very dry, so it will be interesting to see if these are any good or not. I grabbed a few packs. I figured at the very least, even if these were a little bit dry on the inside, I could take and just, you know, tip a little bit of my remover or whatever you have in there just to re-wet them, re-moisten them, and it would still be a really nice closed, like travel friendly way to have something like this. And for me, it's not so much about taking this with me to travel. It's more so about just having them with me like next to my bed, or like, hey, I made a mistake on my nail, and having a way that I can get in there and cut around when I'm doing my nails, that sort of thing. So I grabbed a few of these. I thought it would be a fun thing to play around with, and again, for $1 a piece, I thought it was a really cool concept, a really cool idea. And these actually sold out on the Ulta website fairly recently, so if they are available, obviously they will be linked. If not, I'll still leave the link, and just be on the lookout. You can type in your email if you wanted to try them out. But you guys, that is everything. It is so long. I don't know how I just talked for that amount of time about random stuff that I purchased, but let me know what you think down below. Is there anything here that you have tried, that you love, that you don't like? Just give me your thoughts and opinions overall. Do you like these kinds of videos? And now that we're kind of, you know, changing the course of the channel, would you like to see more haul videos? Whether it's just, you know, makeup, whether it's Ulta, random online purchases, clothing, plus size, like, hey, I got 2 shirts from here, a pair of pants from there, a sweater from there. Like, do you want to see that kind of stuff? What are your thoughts and opinions? Leave them down below. And you guys, that's just everything. If you haven't checked me out on Instagram and on Twitter, please be sure to do that as well. The links will both be down in the description box. But most importantly, you guys, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and stick around because I do upload 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and they go up between 6 and 7 a.m. my time here in good old Northern Michigan, and we talk about everything. Like I said before, we have lifestyle, we have plus size fashion, we have makeup, we have just everything. Whether you like it, whether you don't, whether it looks good or it doesn't, or we're just living our lives, we do it all here. So stick around, let me know what you want to see down below, and you guys, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to have a great day, night, weekend, whatever it is when you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Paige. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Paige. This is, why is that? And today we're going to do a haul video. My eyes watering. It's so fucking bad right now. So let's go ahead. Okay, yeah, I hated that. Holy motherfucker. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Paige. This is Seeking Alexandria. And guys, today we are bringing you a good